So I guess the cat's out of the bag now. All the parts you've been seeing arriving. We are totally, and I mean totally, redoing Alex's car. He wasn't happy with it because he's never happy with it. He's got to change it up. So yeah, we're changing it up. And there's all the stuff. All right, boys, so let me bring you up to speed on the game plan. So you can see we've already got the Procharger, front bumper cover, all of that off. So number one on the list is what he's got over there. Little Whipple action. Brand new Gen 6. Ready to go. The Procharger was a nice kit, but I guess he rode in my car and was like, yeah, I just...
have so much power you can't get traction.
Yeah, exactly. So brand new Gen 6 going on, but that's not all. All right, so next on the upgrade list, got the entire front and rear Bear kit. Let's see, I think these are the fronts. If I can get the box open. Maybe. Yeah, there we go. Okay, no, these are the rears. So these are your rears. Absolutely just beautiful. I think maybe these are the front. No, those are the backing plates. But the fronts are the Bear 6-piston. And we've already got them on Dover's F100. They're absolutely freaking beautiful, which obviously you'll get to see us install them. But those Bear kits, guys, I'm telling you, they are as nice as they come. Absolutely freaking amazing. I was going to stick with my Cobras until I saw them. Now I got to have them. So first things first, we got to put a Whipple together, huh?
Yeah, it won't take long.
Yeah, no. Pull the lid off. We got. Don't forget the oil. We got to put the oil in there too.
You need oil?
Yeah, they need oil. So we're gonna kind of tag team this. This car is gonna be ready for Ford takeover. That's the goal. Shouldn't be too bad. So we got to do the full Bear kit, full QA1 suspension, and do the Whipple and get it tuned. I feel like we can knock it out. Well, you still got room.
Well, it's on the back of the blower right now. Pull forward a little.
The cooler line is?
Yeah, no. Heater hose. No. You. Yeah, it's gonna have to move. All right, let's see now if it'll set. No. He's gonna have to redo the heater core and hit this heater hose.
Yeah.
He needs to put, like I said, probably about.
Take the blower off and we'll unplug that.
Yep. Grab the drain it.
Well, it's not actually there, but it is there. Got a lot of adjustments to do. But start to get an idea. So this coolant pipe right here, of course we had to do that on mine, and then heater core line back here. See right there. Like, it looks like it would fit, but we got to get the fitting on the end of the fuel rail right there. So on mine, we just kind of bent it over a little bit, but it's starting to look like something. I'm gonna say that's better than the Procharger, yeah. Yeah, that's gonna be ridiculous. Oh, that's pretty. Yep, looking good. We are holding on a couple, what, 90s or 180s?
180s.
180s for the fuel. Other than that, the blower's ready to sit on. Got the bracket on. Very
Tensioner and the idler's on. That part is
Right, it's right in the coolant. Hey, if it's gonna fall, it's falling in the coolant. That's all there is to it.
well, you ain't gotta worry about it rusting.
Oh yeah. It's just begging for it. All right, so everybody thinks that we forgot about your car, Matt. You've been making progress on it.
We're playing with it.
Yeah. So you did change injectors and got another tune, but it's still not 100%.
Not right yet.
Yeah, that's getting there. But you got new seats in it.
We got new seats.
We hadn't got to see
And
those
interior.
yet. Oh yeah, yeah. Let's check it out. Oh, look at the fresh corbos. Damn, what the hell did that bird eat? Jesus Christ. Oh, dude, yeah. Interior looks amazing. Hell yeah, dude. Almost Ford takeover ready. Then you gotta get exhaust. Does it sound any better?
It sounds like it did.
Yeah,
It's getting there though. It's getting there. We're
Yeah.
dialing it in.
Yeah, crank it up. Let's see what. So the injectors didn't really help.
Not so much yet.
Of all the cars on the channel, I think yours is probably one of the favorites, just because it sounds like pure demonic stuff happening. Hopefully the battery's not dead. Oh yeah. Yeah. Ah, and it died. No. Look at that. Yeah. Jesus. Oh yeah. Dude, he's badass, brother. All right, one quick note on Pop's car. I did get it out today. Did some data logging, stuff like that. Got it all cleaned up. But it is running absolutely phenomenal. Absolutely phenomenal. You hear a whistle a little bit. Oh yeah. That's the only reason I put the blower on, was that noise right there. Yeah. Runs great, it freaking idles great. Like, we're gonna work more on the idle. It's not camming quite as hard. But that is coming. Steven, the tuner, said he was gonna do some work on it. It's coming though, it's gonna chop.
Sounds so good.
Yeah, I love it. I cannot wait till we get the final tune done, because we're mostly doing for drivability. And I told him, I said, dude, we need to be chopping down trees with it. He said, no problem. So that's coming. I mean, I need to kind of sound like the red car, you know.
Go for it.
I mean, it's not, but you know what I'm saying. Oh man. Can I just, we just need to have a moment here, Alex. Just,
No, you just need to lick it.
God. Why does it look like on the Gen 2s it sits up higher?
Because the valve covers are lower on them. Because with Gen 3s with the DI and all that other stuff.
Ah, okay. So it's not an optical illusion, it actually does.
Yeah.
Damn. Wow. Alex, I don't care what you say, it's 100% worth it. 100%.
Better sit in the garage.
Long as it ain't sitting for sale, that's all that matters.
Might as well look good, 'cause I mean, it's all you're gonna be doing is looking at it.
Man, it does though. It looks like it sits up way higher. So we are doing burnouts today or no?
I'd recommend not.
Yeah,
Sir.
probably not. Damn, see, I didn't get to use my Whipple tensioner because I had the power by the hour stuff.
Yep.
That's not even fair.
There you
go. All right, last project of the day. Got everything wired up on the air. Getting her all charged up again. Should be good to go. Found me another piece of vacuum line, so we got that hidden down in there, so it's good. Gonna drive home with some air and a whole lot of power. Gonna be freaking awesome. Freaking love this car. But anyway, guys, that's pretty much gonna wrap this one up. Appreciate everybody watching. Don't forget Ford takeovers coming up before you know it. Get your rooms if you haven't already. They're probably all booked up. So look forward to seeing everybody there. Did enjoy this one. Big thumbs up. Make sure you smash that subscribe button. Catch you on the next one.